What's up, you guys? Eddie here, Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to make money on the Robinhood app in 2020 and beyond. Okay, so I've been using Robinhood now for the last 4+ years, but in the last 12 months using it, I've made around $3,000, and this has basically been passively. Okay, so I'm going to log into my account. I'll have a link down there if you guys want to check out Robinhood or check out the full review on our website. And if you have any questions about Robinhood while I'm kind of going over how you can make money with it, feel free to message me below. Okay, anyways, this is my account. Basically, if you've never traded stocks before or traded stocks on Robinhood, it's a free stock trading app. So if you put $5 into the app, you can literally buy, whatever stocks with $5. There are no fees, so they do not charge you for anything on here. Anyways, let's pull up the graph real quick, because before I even get into this, I want to show you that my account really has made $3,000 in the last, 12 months. But anyways, let's pull up the 1 week here. You can see it's down. You can pull up the 1 month. It's up a little bit. 3 months. 3 months, it's up about 10%, but for the year here, you can see that it's close to about 3,000. It's kind of dipped a little bit, but it's up about 34% on the year. Now, this has literally been passively. I mean, it's not a ton of money, but at the same time, I haven't really had to do anything to get this. I own a few different stocks down here, but I'm just gonna kind of go over some of the ways that you can make money. The first way being, obviously long-term investing. Whenever you buy a stock on here, whether it's like Apple, maybe you want to buy Disney, you can hold that stock for, 12 months or more. That would be long-term investing. And, when you go to, sell that stock, you can take your profits. Now, the benefit to doing the long-term thing where you hold a stock for over 12 months is they only charge you 15% on taxes. But the next way that you can start trading stocks on here is what's called swing trading. So swing trading is actually kind of what I like to do. You can, buy a stock and then hold it for anywhere from like a few days to a few weeks to like a few months. And if it goes up like 10 or 20%, you can take that profit and then, kind of funnel it into another stock. The downside to swing trading is that you're going to get taxed like 30%, whenever you sell and get your profits. But, I would say the benefit is you can kind of take that cash and kind of try to build it up faster and keep reinvesting into different stocks. The last way would be day trading. Don't recommend day trading. For me, I've tried it before, but it's like impossible to predict if a stock's gonna go up or down any given day, because you really just don't know. So anyways, I would stick with the long term, and the swing trading is your options. But let's take a look at one of the stocks I own on here. We'll check out Zynga. So whenever you want to go buy a stock on here, like I said, it's very easy. You would just click trade, you'd click buy, you type in how many shares you want of whatever you're looking to buy. We'll say Zynga, for example. Just type it in, and then you would own that stock. Now, each stock on here, you can pull up different graphs. You can pull up the 1 day, the 1 week, the 1 month, the 3 month, the 1 year, and then the 5 year. Recently, they added candlestick charts to the app, which is really cool. So you can kind of see the candlesticks of the buying and selling happening. It's not that analytical, but it's still pretty cool. Then if you scroll down on any of the stocks on here, if you own any, you could pull up how many shares you own. You can see my return on this one's about $1,400. But you can pull up stats on different stocks. It'll pull up the 52-week high, the 52-week low, volume, and then of course you're going to have news for different stocks on here as well. Now, the one thing that's cool about Robinhood that I haven't seen on other stock trading apps that I've been using is that they give you notifications all of the time to kind of let you know how your stock's doing, which is cool, because if something bad happens and you don't even know it, your stock might go down a lot, and then you wouldn't have had the opportunity to sell it. But the Robinhood app it just keeps you up to date on any news that's happening. Okay, another thing you can do on here, which I do want to kind of just talk about a little bit, you can now buy cryptocurrencies on Robinhood, which is something that I've kind of dabbled in. I really don't use Robinhood too much for cryptocurrency, but they've kind of like built it out a little bit, and I'm kind of excited to see what they do with it in the future. But, as far as, making money on Robinhood in 2020 and beyond, what you need to do is get started. Just get some money into your account, create an account, get some money into it. You can set up recurring deposits on here, start buying some stocks, try to mix it up a little bit. You really just need to get the ball rolling. But the 3 ways that you can make money, I would stay away from the day trading, stick with, swing trading, and then long-term investing. But you can see just from my account, I know it's got a little bit more in it. to some that might be a lot, to some it might not be a lot. To me, it's just whatever. But you can see that, I've literally made almost about 3,000. It's kind of been hovering at 2,900 and 3,000 for like the last 12 months right now. So anyways, Robinhood, like I said, I do love the app. I'm a huge fan of it. Been using it now for 4+ years. If you have any questions about, getting started with it or making money with it, just message me below in the comments. I will help you out. If you could smash the like button on this video, I'd appreciate it. If you haven't had the chance to subscribe to us yet, hit that subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.